Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diana Felicia. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare banana bread. I also don't know how to prepare bread, or maybe I've never tried, but today is going to be my first time. So I think going on forward we'll just learn, but let's see how it will turn out to be, because we have all the ingredients and yeah, we learn by making mistakes. So if you make a mistake, we'll learn how to do it the next time. Yeah. So yeah, today we are going to prepare banana bread. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so that when I upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you. These are our ingredients, the ones we are going to use to make banana bread. You'll need the Exunga all-purpose flour. You can use any other flour that you want, but for me I normally love using the Exunga all-purpose flour when I'm baking. Then you'll need half a cup of sugar. Then you'll need butter. Here I have ginger and cinnamon just for flavoring. Then I have 3 eggs, then yeast and bananas, because we're baking banana bread. So yeah, pretty much these are everything that you need when baking your banana bread. So in our saucepan we are going to put sugar and butter. Then you just warm them while mixing. You warm your butter and sugar on low heat so that the sugar cannot burn. So you do that on low heat. So keep on stirring until it's well mixed. The bananas, I'm just blending them. In here I've put the blended bananas, the 3 eggs, cinnamon, ginger and the butter and sugar. Now I'm just going to stir it. Then once you do that, you're going to add in your all-purpose flour together with the yeast. This is how our dough looks like. Yeah, so we're just going to let it rise for 20 minutes. Yes, we're going to let it rise for 20 minutes. Now we are just going to put a piece of cloth to add here while we wait for it to rise. Yes, 20 minutes, it's up. You can see. Okay, now you just need, you see how clean it is? Yeah, so you just knead it nicely. So I'm going to sprinkle some white chocolate. These are just white chocolates that I'm sprinkling on. don't put a lot because your bread will be so sugary. Then also this one, a little bit, you just put a little bit of it. Yeah, so we are going to place the 2 baking tins inside our oven, which was already preheated at 180 degrees. So this is the end product. Oh, it's hot. Yeah. This is how it has turned out to be. Yes, and it's soft. It's super soft. Yes.